Hello, this is Daniel from speedcubing.org, and I'd like to start setting a few challenges on my channel. So, the first challenge, and the winner of these challenges each time, if they beat me of course, because I'm entering my own challenge, will get a £10 speedcubing.org gift card. So, the first challenge is to solve a cube by cheating. What? Cheating? Yes, this challenge is so simple. Even a non-cuber could theoretically do it, but have you ever seen them try and put an edge piece back into a cube? They have no clue what they're doing. Like just, oh no, it won't go in. Yeah, just twist. So simple. But us cubers know just how easy it is, but they don't. But anyway, I'm going to do the challenge. I'm going to have 3 attempts at it. If somebody beats me, then, well, the fastest person to beat me will win. So let's get started with my attempts at it. Alright, okay. So all pieces have to be taken off the cube, except obviously the core and center caps and all that. So okay, 122.215, and I think it's probably best to mix this up because obviously I don't know what cube's best to do it with, so I'm going to try a different cube. Let's go with the Chi MS next, and I'll do the Yushinol magic for the 3rd attempt. Don't know why I'm inspecting. 128. Rubbish. Obviously. 116. So, yep, that is the time to beat. Although I have a feeling I might have beaten it many years ago. I may try and beat it myself. And if I do and have them recorded, then that's what counts. And I'll just release the video to prove it later. But for now, 116 is the time to beat. Whoever beats me by the most will win. Obviously, if nobody beats me, no one wins.